my channel! Woo! The fun buns. What do we call these? The space buns got me feeling some type of way. Make me feel like I'm not 31. Yeah. I wanted to do a yellow eyeshadow look today. Okay? I've seen this look everywhere. I did not come up with it. There's literally a hashtag, yellow inner corner, that you can look at and see people who are much more talented than me. But you know what? I wanted to do it and I did it because I'm following my dreams, yo. So, I did it. I really like it. I used the Tarte and Adelaine Morin palette. I did not know who Adelaine Morin was until I got this palette because it's beautiful. It's freaking beautiful. And then I found her YouTube channel and she's super cute. So go check her out if you're interested. This look would be really cool if you are, I don't know, going to a theme park. That could be fun. Or like a festival, like a music festival. I think those still exist. I don't know, maybe you're hip and cool and young and you go to raves. You probably wouldn't wear this to a rave. I don't know, I've never been to a rave. What's it like? I'm old. Okay, so yeah, I think this look is really fun. I think you should try it. Alright, so today I'm going to play with the Adelaine Morin palette from Tarte. This smells amazing. Missed opportunity, it doesn't smell like citrus. It smells like chocolate, which is delightful, don't get me wrong, but yeah. So we're going to do some like straight up yellow. So I'm going to prime my eyes. First with primer potion. Okay, and then I'm using some of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer to kind of neutralize and lighten and give that yellow a bit of a base. Okay, so now that I look like a mime, we're gonna go in with the color Adelaine all over the lid with a nice little fluffy brush. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the color Morin, which is kind of like a warmy brown color, and throw that in the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take a thin, very thin crease brush and just lightly define my crease and outer corner with the color Contour, which is this nice kind of orangey brick color. I say contour like that because it's C-O-N and then tour is in all caps. So she means business on the tour part. Throwing that in the crease, just lightly trying to define it. This is super pigmented, so I'm not gonna go in with a heavy hand. Okay, now I'm taking a flat shader brush and I'm going to take the color Adelaine again and go over the main part of my lid just to brighten that up. Okay, and here comes the fun part. We're gonna take the color Girls Supporting Girls, because you should, and I'm taking it on a Makeup Revolution flat shader brush, and I'm going to take that into the inner corner. Ooh, that's right. And try to diffuse it out as much as you can. Okay, I'm looking a little bit like I'm gonna go to a rave. I'm not. I'm just filming a bunch of videos today. So I'm gonna lightly wipe off that same brush and take the color Promise Ring, which is the highlight shade in the palette. And I'm gonna take that like really precisely onto the inner corner, just right at the center. Just Just get a little bit of shimmer in there and then let it diffuse into the yellow. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so that's what we're working with right now. I'm gonna put on my base and then we'll come back and finish the eyes. We have another guest. I mean, it's the same guest every day, but just want to let you know, if you're wondering why there's a cotton ball on the couch, it's a dog. So let's do some brows so that we look a little bit less crazy. The Mia Adora On Point Micro Tip Brow Definer. I have a coupon code for this. If you would like it, it will be listed in the description along with all of the products that I'm using today. The coupon code for this does not get me a commission. It's just a coupon for you. You're welcome. Let's do some under eye shadow. We're gonna take a pencil brush and let's take the color Contour. Contour. And throw that underneath. Makes my eyes look super blue. So that's pretty cool. Dang. I'm gonna take a very small fluffy brush. This is the M562. I love this brush for blending under the eye and for doing really detailed crease work. This could be a terrible, terrible mistake. I'm gonna take this Profusion Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow. I don't know if you can find this, but it's very similar to the Stila Glimmer and Glow that look like this, you know? I just don't have a color that looks like this. This looks like a greeny white gold, but the shimmer, when you pat it out, yeah, you can kind of see, it just looks like a really fine gold micro shimmer. So I'm not gonna apply it directly on. I'm gonna put it on my hand and then pat it on with my finger. I'm taking that over the center of the lid where I put the Adelaine color, and I'm really not going hard with that. Putting it on with my ring finger and then patting it out with my middle finger. You could skip this step. I just feel like I needed a little bit more definition on my lid because my lid blends in with my crease. It's neat. Super neat. Now we're gonna do a liquid liner. Right. I'm gonna try the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara that I got in my Sephora Playbox. I have avoided using it because it used the word shiny in its description, or glossy, or something to that effect, and I was like, so let's see. The brush is huge. Not so sure. Okay, first swipe, it's very separating. That's what I like. We'll see how it builds. Second coat is very lengthening. It's still very separating. I'm getting like, let me see if I can zoom you in. I'm getting those little like clumps at the ends of my lashes on the second coat, not so much on the first coat. And I'm not a huge fan of that. That typically, to me, indicates that it's gonna be flaky. We shall see. And I feel like it's already starting to fall a little bit. Let's see if I can get one more coat. Okay, I think 3 coats is the maximum. It doesn't look bad by any means. It's just meh, average. I don't think it looks particularly shiny. It does look very black. It's all right. It smells super weird. Like, I don't know how to explain to you how it smells. Tarte Man-Eater on my bottom lashes. This is my favorite at the moment. It is not the most long wearing on the bottom lashes. Next on the eyes, I'm gonna add this Rimmel Scandaleyes nude colored eyeliner to the waterline. This is in the shade Nude. Good job, Rimmel. Okay, so that's the eyes. I dig it. It's pretty. For the face, I'm thinking like super bronzy. Yeah, we're gonna do the Profusions Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm gonna go in with the contour shade and my Morphe angled cheek brush. Doesn't have a number on it anymore. And throw that into the hollows. I'm gonna take the I'm gonna take the blush from the palette called I Feel Beautiful. This is super pigmented on me, so I gotta be careful. I'm gonna do the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. Is that what it's called? Yep. I just noticed that it says the color is 100 Molten Gold or Fondue. I would call it Fondue. Nobody asked me, but oh, look at that angel. I like my dogs. I think Fondue is a great name for a golden highlighter. I want to put some warm cheese on my face. I don't actually. I feel like that would cause a lot of pimples, but the idea sounds nice. Okay, this is the Sephora Collection lip liner in Nothing But Nude. It was a sample, like all of my makeup. And we're just gonna line the lips. Okay, you can't tell on camera really, but I've done kind of an ombre situation with the lining where this is like a little bit darker than my actual lips. So I've lined the outside and then the corners of my mouth. And then we're going to do the color Tokyo from NYX in the Soft Matte Lip Cream. And we're going to throw that in the center. Kind of blend it out. And then go over it a little bit with the color Bare Bud from Tarte. This was the Whitney Simmons collection. And then, just because more is more, we're gonna use the Buxom Lip Gloss in Hot Toddy that is really sheer gloss. I think this smells good. I'm not totally sure though. It's really subtle. Oh yeah, there it is. It's like a baked good of some sort. Oh no, this is plumping! I can feel it. Yeah, okay, so that smell is cinnamon. I don't know if you know this, but cinnamon is irritating to the skin. So it's gonna make my lips plump because they're irritated. It has a little bit of mint in there too. I've been duped. I know what you're thinking. Xenon, girl of the 21st century, is that you? No, it's not. It's just me, Emily Funbun, ×2. I don't don't know. This hairstyle seemed appropriate because A, I haven't washed my hair in 3 days and is very greasy. And B, this look is really fun and out of my comfort zone, and I think would be really cool to wear to, like, I don't know, a music festival. Do people still do that? I'm old and don't leave my house, so I don't really know. But I like it. It's really easy, really fun. I like it. I think the Adelaine Morin palette, I got mine half off at Ulta, so check it out. I like that it is like neutral, but also, you know, you got some fun stuff in there. It's good for every day. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this wasn't a little too weird. Maybe you're into weird. I don't know. Let me know. I've got some other kind of fun, colorful looks coming up soon, so keep an eye out for that. I will see you guys on Monday. I'm thinking about changing my upload schedule since I got a job, so I'll let you know if that changes. Let me know if you care down below. Also hit that subscribe button, that bell if you want to be notified every time I upload, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It's Emily Funbun everywhere. If you can't remember that, you can remember this. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, I'm gonna go and finish my coffee. Oh, I'll have everything linked down below, so check it out. Okay, thanks. Bye.